This segment sponsored by the Nashville Pet Emergency Clinic.
Every pet has its own special needs, and it's hard to know which nutrients they may or may not be lacking. A lot of pet owners are now giving their dogs and cats supplementary supplements and something called nutraceuticals. Here to tell us more is veterinarian Dr. Craig Pryor. Good to have you with us today.
Yes, my pleasure.
For me, the term nutraceuticals is not necessarily related to dogs or pets. It's actually a broad term for supplements.
Correct. So it's a you have pharmaceuticals, which are regulated by the FDA, and nutraceuticals are non-FDA regulated products, so they're not regulated, and they're used for nutritional purposes.
All right.
So a lot of people, for instance, a lot of people take joint supplements, and so a lot of people now are sort of saying, well, if I can take this, then my dog can take this as well, and they're trying to use nutraceuticals with their pets. And you know, that's okay, but you need to know what you're using because not all products are equal, and unfortunately, price is directly related to quality.
Oh,
so in humans, glycosamine and chondroitin joint supplements have about a 60% placebo effect. In other words, 60% of people think they improve, even though they know even though we know that they're not really doing anything for them.
Okay.
And we see the same type of thing. Glycosamine chondroitin products in dogs, only about 10% of the products actually absorb. The rest of it's just goes right through without doing anything at all. So you need to know what you're doing, and as far as in the veterinary field goes, I always make sure that the products that we use meet a couple of quality standards. One is that there's peer-reviewed papers to show that the ingredients really do work, and the other thing is we look on the back of the product that it's got an NASC Council stamp on that. So that's a special stamp for the nutraceutical for animals manufacturers to make sure that they actually reach their quality standards. So that's really important. So, you know, this one, Mobiflex, is actually a joint supplement for dogs. So all the dogs that start getting a little bit arthritic, slow to jump, slow to get up and down into the car, slow to go up and down stairs, things like that. Well, a lot of people want to use a joint supplement as the first line, and that's fine.
Okay.
And that's really a good way of starting because the less medicine you give them is always better. So, but this it was available for you veterinarians. It's got a number of things in it that have they've all been shown to work through peer-reviewed papers, and that's what I always look for. So Biovaflex, which is eggshell membrane, which actually helps connective tissue, joints. Xanthine, which is their antioxidants to take out the free radicals. Excuse me, Boswellia serratia, which is a plant extract that helps with bone and cartilage and joints.
Okay.
And then proprietary high hyaluronic acid, which helps with the synovial fluid in the joints. So every one of those ingredients has been shown to help joints to improve their function.
Are there certain breeds, or maybe even a difference between cats and dogs on this as well, but are there certain breeds that seem to react better to this, or?
Well, any dog with arthritis, it's going to help. And that's no particular breed over the other, but large breed dogs tend to have more problems with arthritis than the smaller dogs, but even smaller ones have problems with that. And then there are different products for cats as well. So it's not a matter of walking into a health food store and just grabbing the first thing on the shelf and saying, I'm going to try this, because some of these products can actually have things in it which may be detrimental to your animals.
Okay.
You should always talk to your veterinarian. We know the products, we know which ones are going to work, we know which ones have got peer-reviewed papers behind them, and you know, and which ones got the quality control, because there was a study done on the human side, and they found that there was anything from 2% to 200% of label claim of the ingredients. Sometimes you just don't know what you're getting.
Yes.
And there's no burden of proof for these companies.
So again, the important thing here is ask your vet, and they will lead you in the right direction on all of this.
We know the products, we know your animal, we know what's best for them.
All right, some great information. Thank you so very much. Dr. Pryor is with the Murphy Road Animal Hospital. Their information is on our website.